Deep in the primeval forest of the Changbai Mountain, fallen trees can be seen everywhere, scattered and rotting. Some are parched, others are covered. With moss, mushrooms, and wood ears fungi. Insects, such as ants, march busily across the bark. These dead trees on the forest floor are called fallen trees. The fallen trees in the Changbai Mountain are not like those in other forests where only few trees break and fall. Here, the falling occurs in a group in which trees tumble alongside each other. In contrast to the sudden visits of ferocious typhoons, the regular gales tend to hit the Changbai Mountain much longer. Strong winds of above force 8 happen here 269 days of the year. On the mountaintop, they are more frequent. But is the wind the sole culprit for this depredation? The Changbai Mountain is a dormant volcano with soil largely composed of volcanic ash. The hard basalt is only covered by a thin layer of soil that is very loose. When the roots of trees reach the rock, they have to spread around it. Without a firm and deep root system, the individual trees in the forests cannot work together to resist the wind. They have to make their roots intertwine, so they gain a collective footing that is more firm. Even so, the ferocious wind still may succeed in pulling the trees out across a whole stretch. Lying quietly where they hit the ground, the trees take on a new stance and continue to play a part on the forest stage. The fallen trees soon become the habitat for various fungi. Birds, animals, and insects also come and set up homes here, bringing with them fresh seeds. The fallen trees can retain lots of water. This allows them to offer an optimal moisture for the seeds to germinate and produce viable sprouts in a friendly and comfortable environment. Once decomposed by fungi and bacteria, the fallen trees release a large amount of organic matter that is essential for the growth of young plants and continue to supply the sprouts. Over 80% of the saplings in the forest rely on fallen trees. Without them, the luxuriant forest could not exist. The fallen trees serve as a hotbed for the forest's renewal. They come from the forest and create new hope for the forest too.